National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Outagamie County in east central Wisconsin, east central Winnebago County in east central Wisconsin, southeastern Wyapauka County in east central Wisconsin until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing ping-pong-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 90 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from New London, or 10 miles southwest of Appleton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Outagamie, Winnebago, and Wyapauka counties. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Appleton, Oshkosh, Neenah, Menasha, New London, Little Chute, Kaukauna, Wyapauka, Winnacone, Hortonville, Kimberly, Combined Locks, and Black Creek. These storms will be near New London around 5:10 p.m., Appleton around 5:20 p.m., Neenah and Menasha around 5:30 p.m., Oshkosh around 5:40 p.m., and Wyapauka around 5:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for east central Wisconsin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Wisconsin: Outagamie, Winnebago, and Wyapauka.